Hello everyone, my name is Dev Bhavsar and today I am here to share you something that I have been working on. A project that completely reimagines that how we interact with our smart home devices, and this project is called as KinoVision. KinoVision is my anti-project for Circuit Digest Smart Home and Wearable Contest 2025 sponsored by DGT. A huge thanks to DGT, the sponsor of this contest, for providing the Memento board and making this project possible. Today, most smart homes are controlled using mobile apps, remotes, or voice assistants. Voice assistants work, but don't always. Alexa, turn on light 1 in studio.
Sorry, Studio Fan 1 isn't responding.
So I asked myself a simple question, like what if there is an interaction based on seeing and motion? Like you no need any apps or voice commands and no need to search for a remote, but you can do it just by looking and doing any gestures, and that is KinoVision. KinoVision is a wearable interaction system that combines the gesture and the vision intelligence to control the appliances. Now let me show you that how it actually works. The system consists of 3 devices working together as one: Wristband, Vision Pendant, and Hub. KinoVision is divided into 3 layers: gesture, vision, and control. The first layer is the gesture layer. It consists of wristband made using XIAO ESP32 S3 and MPU 6050. It classifies the gesture into 3 categories: shake, left, and right. When any gesture is detected, then the wristband sends it wirelessly using ESP-NOW to the hub. It is very fast and has low latency. The hub is a ESP32 connected to a relay module that controls the appliances. Now, here is where the magic happens. When the hub receives the shake gesture, that it doesn't know that what you are looking at. So, it sends an MQTT message over Adafruit IO to the Memento camera board. The Memento captures the image of what you are looking at and it sends it to the OpenAI's Vision API and asks the question, what appliances do you see in the image? If the OpenAI says that there is a light, then the Memento publishes back MQTT message to the ESP hub telling it that it is a light. Now the hub knows that you are looking at light and you want to control it. So when you tilt your wrist to the right, the light will turn on, and to the left, then the light will turn off. Control gestures are only accepted after the device is selected so that it prevents the accidental triggers. Now, let's look at the core logic behind the system. I will highlight the most important parts. Here is the core for the wristband, and this function takes the accelerometer data and classifies it into the gestures, and the key was finding the right threshold. Too sensitive and you get the false triggers, and too strict and gesture don't register. Now, sending data with ESP-NOW is beautifully simple. Just one function call. The hub receives it instantly, but what is important is that the both devices share the same Wi-Fi channel. Now, moving to the ESP hub, when the shake gesture comes in, the hub publishes it to the MQTT gesture field and waits for the Memento board to respond on the device field. The Memento captures an image and encodes it into base 64 and sends it to the OpenAI's GPT-4o mini model. With a simple prompt, look at this image and identify if there is a light source visible. The AI responds with a single word, light or none, which keeps the system fast and reliable. Now let's see the full system in action one more time. But now, you understand everything that's happening behind the scenes. Here, I shake my wrist. Memento captures the image. Now I have control. Tilt right, light on. Tilt left, light off. So, where does the KinoVision go from here? Like, I have some exciting ideas. Like, right now, I have limited the system just to control the light for the demo. But AI could identify fans, refrigerators, or even air conditioners, any appliances. And imagine programming your own gestures, like circle for increasing the fan speed and swipe up for increasing the brightness, and many more. This is just a stepping stone. The same architecture can evolve into AR-based interaction using glasses and air gestures. This part is conceptual, but it builds on the same pipeline you saw working today. So that's KinoVision, a gesture-controlled AI-powered smart home system that makes controlling appliances as easy as pointing and doing hand gestures. Once again, I would like to thank DigiKey, the sponsor of this contest, and Circuit Digest for providing me the opportunity and support. All the codes, 3D files, and the documentation for this project is available on GitHub, and I will be providing its link in the description.